We need to let our younger people know what it was like in the early days, how we were beaten up by the gangsters and the underworld goons, and how we were shot at, and how we were intimidated. But we overcame all of that power of these great corporations, and we demonstrated that when free men and women are united in the solidarity of human brotherhood, when they are united by common commitments in pursuit of common objectives, that there is no power in the world that can stop the forward march of free men thus united.